Welcome to episode 3 of Derek Tries to Get a New Job. Today we'll be working on the fifth problem of the Grind 75 list of questions, valid palindrome. Alright, valid palindrome. A phrase is a valid palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay, so we should be able to use a two-pointer approach, meet in the middle. So left equals 0, right equals the length of S minus 1, while left is less than right. Okay, so L char equals S left, R char equals S right, if L char dot is alnum, if not alnum, L char left plus equals 1, elif not R char is alnum, right minus equals 1, elif. Okay, so it's alphanumeric. Alright, so it's we can guarantee that they're alphanumeric. L char equals L char dot, I think it's lower, R char equals R char dot lower. Char does not equal R char, then return false, else, or here, we can skip the else in this case. L char, or no, left plus equals 1, right minus equals 1, and then finally, if it gets through everything, return true. So I think this should work. Okay, passes all test cases that were given. Let me add a few more. A, B, B, A, B, A. Okay, just a couple of extra test cases. All right, passes all those. Submit. All right, pretty squarely in the middle, but we succeeded. So we can say check that off, valid palindrome.